Taking a look at quiz number 2. So the first question that we got wrong here, we wanted to graph y equals negative 2x plus 1. And it looks like you did start it correctly up here at negative 1 for your y-intercept. That matches the correct answer. But from there, your slope needs to go down 2 over 1. Your slope is negative 2, so that's negative 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1, it should have been right here for your second point. And that's what we have over here in the correct. Click on the 1 on the y-axis first, then go down 2 over 1 for your second click. So you're on the right track. You had a negative slope this time. It just needs to be a slope of negative 2. Check out a few more questions. Number 3, is this graph a function? It's a little teeny tiny circle right here. And because the circle does not pass the vertical line test, because if you drew a vertical line through it, it would have hit it in 2 places. It is not a function. So that would be my correct answer. You answered that a vertical line will not intersect it more than 1, but it would. If you drew right through the middle, it would intersect it in 2 places. Question 7, this one's still troubling us. This one is the rate of change. So if we just look at this again as slope, pick your starting year. If you have 1989, you can say you're starting in 1980, so your ordered pair would be 9 years since, 51 sea lions. And then your other pair, if you started in 1980, 2004 would be 24 years, so it'd be 24, 30. And then with your 2 ordered pairs, you can calculate the slope, which is the rate of change. So you would do m equals y2, so 30, minus y1, which is 51, over x2, which is 24, minus x1, which is 9. And if you calculate that, I'm going to grab my calculator real quick. On the top, we have our 30 minus 51, which is negative 21. And on the bottom, we have 24 minus 9, which is 15. And then if you finish the division, negative 21 divided by 15 is negative 1.4. And you can see that that is what our correct answer was supposed to be. So we really have to write ordered pairs and calculate slope to do a rate of change. Rate of change is another way to phrase slope. Okay. Question 9, let's see how close we got on this one. Oh, you know what? I think you have the right numbers right here, but you have them in their decimal form. We check 19/5 is 3.8. Yes, you actually have everything correct here, but have written it as a decimal. So try to make sure you use fractions on those next time. If you want, I can give you a little bit of point back on this one, just let me know. But you do need to use fractions unless it's a story problem. In the story problems, that's when you're going to want to use decimals. Okay. I'm going to go down to the last one that we got all the way wrong. Let's see. Another graphing one. And it looks like we have the right y-intercept. Let me check on this one real quick. Did we just go in the opposite direction? Let's see. Your answer, did it go up 3, back 5? So 1, 2, 3. Looks like you went up 4, back 5 instead of up 3. So you went 1 too high. So super, super close. Had you gone from that point either down 3 over 5 or up 1, 2, 3, back 5, it would have worked. You accidentally from this point went up 4. 1, 2, oops. Up 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, but you were supposed to be just down here at 3. So you're really close. You just need to fix a couple things so that you can perfect your score, but super close.